A box plot is used to understand the spread of a variable. It reveals the median, 25th quantile, 75th quantile, and any outlier points that are present in that particular variable. In this one, we will make box plots, violin plots, and see how to create these plots based on another categorical column in your dataset. By the end of this video, you would have created plots that look like this. Let's start by creating a box plot based on the MPG dataset. We have been using the dataset for quite some time. It shows the city and highway mileage for various car models across years. Now, I want to understand how the city mileage is spread. So, initialize the ggplot and add geom underscore box plot. That will give you the box plot of that column. Now, here, how to interpret this is the thick line in the middle of the box is the median value of this particular variable. Bottom of the box is the 25th percentile. Top of the box is 75th percentile. The point where the line ends, the top line ends, this is 1.5 times the IQR, where IQR is nothing but the difference between 75th and 25th percentile. So this is nothing but 1.5 times the height of this box. Likewise, the bottom is also 1.5 times the IQR. Now let's see how the city mileage is varying based on different brands. To do that, specify the X argument within AES as manufacturer and the Y argument as the variable that you want to see the box plot for. I have initialized this and draw the box plot. You can get the box plot for each unique value of manufacturer column. Can you spot which car model has the highest mileage? Now you can color the box plots based on the subsegment which is present in the class column. If you do that, that is by adding AES fill equal to class, each bar that you saw in the previous chart gets broken down based on the various segments the manufacturers are present in. So Audi has two different segments, Chevrolet has three different segments, and so on. For each of those segments, the box plot is drawn. Now, Honda clearly has a very high mileage. Can you see which class of cars has the highest mileage after Honda? Violin plot also tries to convey the same information as box plot, only that it is more curved based on the volume of data that is present. Now let me expand this. What violin plot tells is where the data points are distributed. The wider the curve of the violin, the wider this curve, it means that there's more concentration of data in that particular region. That's what violin plot additionally conveys. Let's do a mini challenge. The challenge for this is based on the MPG dataset itself. Try to create the output that you see on the screen. Pause the video and try it out in your R console and check back for the answers, which I will show right now. So here's the answer. This is the box plots of the displacement column split by manufacturer and subsegment, which is the class column. So that's how you create box plots.